Hey everybody, Cypherboy here. In today's video, I'm going to be opening up these Naruto trading card games, and these are from the Lineage of Legends, uh, collection, or whatever they're called, the set. We have Minato here, and then over here Jiraiya. We've got two of each one. So, I'm going to open up this pack first. So let's see what we get, and I hope we get, here's a tear strip there. So let's see if I can manage to open it though. Probably should have brought scissors over. Okay, let me go grab those real quick. Okay, see if I can do it this way without cutting anything. There we go. Okay, put that aside. Now let's see who we get. We have someone named Chishima. Put that over there. Enko. Something called Clear Sky. Trying to get it to where it shows better. Perfect Disguise. I'm coming to you. This one's a foil one. The third Hokage. Out of mission activities. I wish this would focus better. Yamanaka. That one's great, focused wise. Eyeing Nail Mist. Come on, focus, you can do it. Boulder Avalanche. Is that still blurry? There we go, that's perfect. I'll probably go through and try to redo them after the video. Let's put that over there. Next, let's do a Jiraiya one. See if I can open it properly. Okay, there we go. Use my trusty scissors to open it up more. These things are pretty hard to get open though. There, I got to just tear it up. Okay. So I got another Yamanaka. Chakra Absorption Jutsu. Neji Hyuga, that one is a foil. I wonder if each one has a foil card. Foss Jutsu. Now they're coming in pretty well. Kaku, is that the name? Looks like it. Don't recognize that character though. Self-sacrifice. Okay, that one came in pretty good. If you want, you can always pause the video to look at them for longer. Kankuro. I like that character. Sasuke Uchiha. And this one has a foil-like name, like it's gold, as you can see there. Kimamaru. There we go. I hope the lighting's okay. It's daylight here and I have my overhead light on. Tornado Lightning. Okay, let's do the next Minato one. I hope the card quality continues to come in. Oop, there we go. Have to do that. Okay, so who do we have this time? Survival on Mount Takodami. Sorry about the shadows. I have the window wide open. It's another Neji Hyuga, but this one is not foil. Here we have Choji Akimichi. He looks, I don't know, kind of older in this one or something. No, I think that's the kid version, but he looks older for some reason. Maybe because he doesn't have that headband thing around his head. Back up. Here's Final Separation with the gold foil name. That looks like Orochimaru. Here is another Chishima. Time stands still. Try to get it out. There we go. This one is Sancho. I don't know who that is though, but it's a foil card. I don't recognize that one. Clematis Dance Flower. This one is Emina. And then we're on the final pack of the Jiraiya one. Or with Jiraiya on it, I should say. Try to open this off camera though, so I don't accidentally knock the camera down. Okay, put those cool looking scissors back. Okay, so here we go. Is the last set of them. Okay, come on, focus. You can do it. This one is Lightning Fang. Try to see if that helps. I don't think it would, but no. Okay, Yoroi Akaro. I don't know who that one is either, but he looks interesting. This one is Symbol of the Rogue Ninja, and this one is a foil name with the gold. There we go. Maybe the trick is getting the light onto the card from overhead, and let's put that over there. This one is the first Hokage foil, which is awesome because in my fanfiction for Naruto, my original character is the first Hokage's grandson. Okay, here is the same one, Clematis Dance Flower again. And I got these cards hoping for different jutsus and stuff to be in it, so I can choose them randomly and see if they would work for my character. Symbol of the Evil. There we go. Again, you can pause these if you want. Temporary Team. There we go. Yeah, I think getting the light hitting the card is the secret to getting it at focus. Hokushin. I'll need to try to remember that for next card videos. Multi Shuttle Clone Jutsu. And then here's Shino Abadame. Okay, now redo these two cards, trying to get the light on them so they show up better for you to see. See if it'll work. No, for some reason it's not for this one. I don't know why. See, for this one, that one did. So there's that. Try once more for this one. That's better. So let me go through the first few I done that did not come through. See if they'll show up this time since I figured out the little trick. Yeah, so that one, that was the duplicate. Get ankle back up. There we go. Now that looks perfect. Try this one again. Oh, I didn't notice this was a foil name too. I don't know what the rarities of these are, but I'll look it up later and see. I'll also link my fanfiction down below for you if you want to read it. So far, everyone who's read it has seemed to like it and followed the story and stuff. So I'll do that after I finish getting in all the details and stuff. I think this was the point when they started to come in better. So I got the third and the first Okage in this one. Okay, that looks better than it did the first time around. Another of... There we go. I'm glad I figured out that little trick though, because now I can go through more cards for the Magic the Gathering series I'm doing and showing more of them. I want to get more of these though so I can build up a nice little collection. Another Eno is the same as the previous one. There we go. And is there any more? I think these are the ones that from then on they all came in pretty good. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this card unboxing. If you did, leave a like and leave a comment down below. Oh, and I got a new table runner, neon green, like my channel art. And if you want to join Cypher's army, leave a subscribe and follow my story on fanfiction.net. And I'll see you later. Bye.